In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product on Stan Store. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on My Store. This opens up your store view, where you'll see your store header and any products you've already created. To add something new, click the Add Product button. Stan Store will now show you all the different product types you can create, like forms to collect emails or applications, digital products, coaching calls, custom products, e-courses, recurring memberships, webinars, communities, simple URLs or media, and even Stan affiliate links. For this walkthrough, we'll choose digital product, but the overall flow is similar for other product types. That will take you into the product editor. On the right, you'll see a live preview of what your product will look like. And in the center, you'll find all the settings and options you can customize. Let's start with the thumbnail, which is what people first see on your store. First, choose a thumbnail style: button, callout, or preview. This controls how your product is visually presented. Then upload an image, click Choose Image to pick from Stan Store's image options, or select Upload Image if you want to use a file from your computer. A clear, high-quality image that reflects your product works best. Next, add your product title. Keep it short, memorable, and focused on the main benefit or outcome for your customer. Under that, add a subtitle. Use 1 or 2 sentences to explain what's included and why it's helpful. Then, customize your button text. Use 1 to 3 strong action words like download now, join today, or start instantly. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Next. Now you're on the checkout page settings. Here you can again choose or upload an image to represent your product on the checkout screen. Then write your description body. Start by clearly explaining what the product is, then highlight the key benefits or main features, and finish with a line that reinforces the value. This section supports rich text, so you can format your text and even add images, videos, or links to make it more engaging and clear. Scroll down to edit the bottom title and call to action button on this page. Make sure the wording matches what your customer is about to purchase and encourages them to complete the checkout. Next, set your price. Enter the main price of your product. If you want to offer a discount, toggle on the discount option and type in the discounted amount in the field provided. This is useful for limited time promos or special offers. Below that, you can adjust the information you collect from customers. By default, name and email are already included and cannot be removed. If you need more details, click Add Field and choose from options like phone, text fields, multiple choice, drop-down, or checkboxes. Only ask for what you truly need to keep checkout smooth. Now it's time to add the actual digital product. You have 2 options. First, you can redirect to a URL. In that case, paste the link to your digital product, such as a hosted file or a private page, and give it a clear product name. Second, you can upload a file directly. Click Upload, and a file picker will open. Locate the file on your computer, select it, and click Open or press Enter. Wait for the upload to finish. Larger files may take a bit longer, so be patient and don't close the page. Once everything is filled out and your file is fully uploaded, scroll down and click Publish at the bottom right. The page will reload, and you should see a confirmation message at the top letting you know your product has been successfully published. At this point, your new digital product is live and ready for customers to purchase on your Stan Store.